Diggs, ba't ka nadapa?
Madalas po kasi yung sapatos ko.
Nakita mo ba yung nasa gilid na what is gravity and what is friction?
Oo, nakita ko yun.
Alam mo ba ang ibig sabihin noon?
Hindi po.
Sige, sasabihin ng...
Gravity is a force of attraction between any two objects with mass, where the more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull.
Friction is a force that opposes motion between surfaces in contact.
Tingit, dahil tinulungan niyo ako.
Alam niyo na ba ang gravity at friction? Alam niyo na ba kung paano ito nangyari?
Remember to be safe.
Help others at all times.
Always know the meaning of
Gravity and friction.
I am Francesca Tiontivero.
I am Rihanna Kate M. Viñas.
I am Diggs Tyler M. Villena.
I am Kendra Melgari.
And I am Princess Jadal D. Lucero.
Thank you for watching our presentation.